Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my little dog Penny is right over here, and we got some toys for her. We'll see if she wants to play with this right here. Oh, look at these. These are cool. So look at this. It's like little foxes. This one here's a little fox. Let's see if I can open it up without getting these little pieces everywhere, because she will find them. Well, now they're stuck on here. Well, I'll cut these off. But you see there's a little fox there. And look at that. That's a cute one for her. And here's another one here. But this one's going to get cut off too. That one there. And there's that. And a little, this one here looks like a little beaver maybe. There we go. And look at that. How cute are these? They're super cute little ones for the little doggy. And it's got a little squeaker in its tail and a squeaker up here. So it's cool. I like these. And these are ZippyPaws. So I like it.